Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with some nice upgrades installed right here at Prince George Ford, such as a 6-inch BDS Lift Kit, sitting on some 20-inch fuel rims with some 35-inch Cooper Discoverer STT Pro off-road tires on there. And then you have pocket-style fender flares and bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear tires too, and even running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. And just quickly looking at one of the new features, tailgate can of course go down, and the tailgate has a new sort of rugged work surface on it with measurements and holes for your clamps. You got a 400-watt power outlet in there, and then with another click the tailgate goes back up. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for 3 with a nice full leather interior. In the middle you have fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as having 2 more in the middle here with a 12 volts USB and USB-C 120 volt power outlet and heated rear seats which can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here on your fully digital cluster, where you can look at your trip 1 and 2 information, eco behavior, auto start stop status, driver assistance features, and fuel economy. Can also exit out of that and go to your truck info, where you have your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, seat belts, and driver assistance features. Moving on from that, you have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then on the left side you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and distance pacing technology, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your main infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Also have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, your favorite screen, much like My View, you can put any of those subcategories there. Whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with a full 360 view, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch fees, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above your screen you have your auto start stop shut off, your front camera view with 360, your parallel park assist, or active park assist, hazards, traction control shut off, hill descent assist, and then you have the B&O Unleashed audio system in this truck, so you have speakers all over the place, giving you an excellent surround sound experience. Then moving down from your screen you have your media controls and then your climate controls here with dual zone front climate, heated and air conditioned front seats, and even a heated steering wheel so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. To the left of that you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector. It's going to yell at us about low fuel. So you've got slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode, which is somewhat unique to higher trim levels or certain trim levels. You have tow haul mode, eco mode, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. Then moving on to the right, where you have a 12 volt power outlet as well as a 120 volt power outlet, and this button up here to open the compartment above your glove box. Then down below you have this compartment, which opens to reveal a USB, USB-C, and a slot for your phone while it's charging. Then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, and can be collapsed, so you have more open space here. Then you do also have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest here with a removable tray, and inside you have another USB and USB-C as well as a ton of room. Then looking back you have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least a twin panel moonroof up top so you can let in the sunshine, but that should cover our look at the interior. So if you're in the market for a new truck with some nice upgrades, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111 or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself and have a nice day.